Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make rice softer after cooked. Add a splash of water, cover the pot tightly, and steam on low heat for 5 minutes to relax the grains. Fluff gently with a fork to separate kernels and finish with a brief rest off the heat. This simple method revives dry rice, keeps texture tender, and works for many rice types without extra fat or complicated steps. Try the microwave steam trick for small portions by adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of water and covering the bowl with a damp paper towel. Heat for 1 minute and let sit for 1 minute. Alternatively, stir in a tablespoon of butter or oil for silky mouthfeel, or fold in warm broth to boost moisture, flavor, and aroma. Each approach gently rehydrates rice without overcooking and preserves individual grains. To rescue larger batches, spread rice in an oven-proof dish, sprinkle a few tablespoons of water, and cover tightly with foil. Bake at low temperature for 10 minutes to refresh texture. For sticky rice, gently toss with a tiny splash of rice vinegar to separate grains and add brightness. Always let rice rest covered for several minutes after any reheating to allow steam to redistribute moisture and prevent gummy patches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.